In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add click-to-call in Elementor. To begin with this video, you need to go to Page Editor window. I'm already in the Page Editor. But if you need help editing a page with Elementor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Scrolling down, let's add a section first. I'm going to show you two methods to add click-to-call in Elementor. For that, let's divide the section into two by using the intersection element. Now, first, let's drag and drop the text editor element here like this. And for the second column, I'll simply search for social icon. Drag and drop the social icon element here like this. Let's explore the settings and add click-to-call in each of them. Moving to text settings, you can simply edit the text here as per your requirement. I'll simply select the specific part, and I'll click on this link icon here. Here in the link URL, simply write tel:number and click on Enter. This is how you can add click-to-call in Elementor. Another way of doing it is moving to the settings of social icons, and you can simply remove or add any as per your need. And from the icon library, you can simply select the icon as per your requirement. So I'll search for phone and select the same. Once done, click on Insert. I'll remove the other two icons as they're not needed for now. And now here you need to enter the contact number in the same format we used earlier in this video. Enter tel: and the contact number like this. You can configure other settings as well. You can change the shape of the icon accordingly. Under the Style tab, you can explore various other settings. You can set the color here. And now, once everything is in place, let's update the page. It's now time to view the page from the front end. You can see as I click on the Call Us, the pop-up appears, and one just needs to choose an application, and they can directly place a call to the number that we've added. So, this is how you can add click-to-call in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.